kata kamano endo patron mar club mendo Migosi Raila Odinga one bedni chopo to kuno chopo to no oro otene manendo mar $1,000,000.
But of course to the Prime Minister, we want to assure you that the patron has done so much to this club. I know a lot of times when the team is going out, it is him who has been bailing out the team. They want to register here my gratitude and appreciation to His Excellency Raila Odinga for the commitment and support that he has given to this club. I do not think the club would have been what it is today without him. I want to assure you he has done so much, and the contribution from the chair, as I said, His Excellency has contributed so much to this club, and the chairman will confirm that. He's done quite well. More often than not, we would have not traveled outside if it was not for him. Many, many times. His network, himself, and his connection, and his influence has been used to ensure that this club is sustained. We are really indebted to him, and we are so humbled by his contribution that he has done to this club. Having said that, he sent in here 1 million Kenya shilling cash. 1 million Kenya shilling cash. Chairman,